Right, Metabo hammer. This is a MHEV5BL. Running, no problem. She's hammering. Not a problem that way. Problem is, she keeps turning. So no matter what you put her onto, she's still rotating. So this is doing nothing, this change lever. Get under here, see what the crack is. It's a tough wee cap. Same as the rest. C-clip on top. You need 3 arms for this job. Bit of an oil leak too. Or it could just be somebody's putting too much grease under the tool holder. Awkward wee shaky. Counterweight system as well. So this is your change lever. And right enough, that's doing nothing. That all seems rather slack. Now, there's your change lever. Should be locating onto this one. Right, so everything seems okay. This gear locks onto the metal housing. It locks onto this metal gear then to lock up the rotation. As you can see on this one, this plastic piece is all rounded over, worn out. that's one piece we should need to replace. One new lock sleeve. That's a part number if you're looking to buy. Slides over the top. Spring on top of that. This plastic sleeve goes on top of the spring. Now, there's no actual damage. The piston inside of this thing's actually hammering fine, so I'm not going to change the two O-rings on the piston or striker. There's no need to if it's working fine, but I will top up the grease. An extra 50 ml of grease onto it, just in case any has got out, and it does look a little bit light. So I'll just top that up. There's a wee change lever here. Best way to see it. This is what picks up your dial on top. Change it between hammer and rotary mode. Wee notches on one side, solid on the other. The solid piece goes to the back of this here change link arm. That just sits on top. And this pin here has to locate onto the hole. That's her neutral, free turn on. That's her locked, so the chisel doesn't rotate at all. So that's her. Just the chuck now. Always have some oil on the chuck, or grease. A wee bit of grease on that tool holder end for where the paw's going. You don't want to be running it dry. Christ, that's tight. Christ, that's a tight one. That's it. You've got a Metabo brushless 5. The chisel keeps rotating on the holder, won't stay locked. That's all you need to do. Replace that lock ring there. Hope you like the content, lads. If you like it, hit like and subscribe. Plenty more to come. And check out Patreon as well for the newer machines, for teardowns and them there. That'll be coming soon. Chat to you later.